Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the project on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, at the menu you can see this is the recent design and see all. You can click on a see all for the see your project. And after this, if you wanna delete the project, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on three dots icon in here, click on it, and then in here you can click on move to trash, click on it. Okay, now you can click on a three lines icon, this one, and in here you can see on trash. And after this, you can click on three dots icon in here and click on delete permanent. Okay, click on delete permanent and finish. So that's how to delete the project on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.